My name is Jim Amigh, and I've been working at All Metals for 13 years. I started out as an engineer, so they hired me as a value add to bring new customers in to do value added services for them. And I've done it for years and years. I've brought a lot of customers into All Metals, and I have evolved into the director of operations. I would say that most engineers are introverts. They like to sit in front of their computer. They like to just design, be their own little design czar, and throw drawings over the wall. I've come to realize that what I refer to as peopling or dealing with people has become very enjoyable. And I take a lot of pride in working to build our department leaders into leaders and mentoring them into skills that they've never had. And it's very rewarding, and it's probably the highlight of my day. There are a lot of things that make All Metals a great company. It's a family-based Christian company. We really do value our people. We go out of our way to pay attention to our people, really shepherd our people. And when we do that and we do it really well and our people feel comfortable, they take care of our customers. And that's what we're all about. So we really do that, and we really preach it. And it was really exemplified to me quite a few years ago. I was moving and I was in the process of moving, and all of a sudden had to go to the hospital. And the hospital said that, you have the worst case of pancreatitis that we've ever seen. And while we're in there, we found that you have bilateral kidney cancer, which is a devastating message to get. But, All Metals stood beside me the whole time. I never had any issues or any lapse of, family or, being on the team, or, they kept me on the payroll. I had no issues at all. They stood right beside me the whole time. It was awesome. And I'll never be able to repay them for what they've done, to help me and my family. I had done some research on different ways for leadership to lead, and I stumbled upon the entrepreneurial operating system. And I was researching it, and I read some books, and I thought it was really interesting. I thought it was an interesting way to approach running a business. And at this point in time, I wasn't director of operations. I was just this engineering dork up the hall that was bringing business in. So I shared this with Lance, and, he consumed it and thought it was pretty interesting. It was an interesting concept on how to run a business and how to get the leadership team, involved in running the business, and ended up deciding he wanted to do it, which was great. And then, after making that decision, the leadership team kind of really solidified, and they really pulled me in and elevated me to the director of operations. So it was an interesting transition for me personally. I think All Metals really stands out because we take care of our employees. We're really radically taking care of our employees. I mean, we have our benefits package. We pay for our employees' health care. We do the best we can to get them discounted rates for the rest of their family. We have, a gym in the building. We invite all of the employees to come. We have a trainer come in, and we'll, do training with them, help them work on their body content. Not me so much, but, people have gone in there and they're making great impacts on their own personal health, it's awesome. We have quarterly bonuses. If the company's meeting their KPIs and the employees are hitting their efficiency numbers and they're doing the jobs and meeting the estimated times, they get an additional incentive in their quarterly bonus. So we're financially incentivizing our people to, hit the mark. I think the biggest benefit, monetarily at working at All Metals is we contribute 15% of your yearly gross to a 401k for every employee. So even if you don't contribute to a 401k, we're contributing 15% of your yearly gross to a 401k for your benefit. And I think that's huge. Because a lot of other people that we have out here are working paycheck to paycheck. They're just making ends meet. We're looking a little farther down the road, trying to put something out there for at the end of their time, that there's a little something more for them. We have a goal that our 10-year target is to be the best and most automated contract manufacturer on the planet. And I think we're making huge strides. And, we're implementing a lot of technology, a lot of automation. We're implementing the integrated cut-to-bend technology. And in doing so, we're automating a lot of the process. But we're not eliminating people. We're just automating the process with the intent of elevating these people to do other things. And I think our people have grasped onto, we're not out to get them, we're really out to help them, which is awesome. I see us achieving this integrated cut to bend in the next probably 3 years. And, we have some lofty goals sitting out there for like a fully automated delivery trucks, zero emission company. I think we're going to achieve those goals. We push hard. The leadership team pushes hard. I know that all the people that work on the other side of the wall don't see everything we do. I think they're seeing change, and I think they appreciate the change. And I'm proud to be helping initiate it. All Metals is a great place to work. I love it. I truly come to work every day energized. I don't take sick days because I enjoy coming to work. I'm just one of those goofy, weird people. I enjoy making a difference. I enjoy seeing customers see us make the magic happen. I refer to what we do as making the magic happen. We have customers that come in, they have an idea on a napkin, and we turn it into reality, which is cool. We have customers that have an idea but don't know how to get it the rest of the way. We can help them do that. We have customers that come in that they just want to save some money on their product. We help them do that. And then we have customers that, we as a company are really interactive with our customers. We talk, we communicate, we're watching what they're ordering. And if we know that they order certain parts as groups and they're running behind on a part, we'll communicate, hey, we see what's going on. And we hold a little stock every now and then. So if a customer comes up with short, we might have some stock. We can fill a hole that they've got. But when you see the customer smile because we've pulled off the magic trick, that's the reward. It's fun.